Imagine flying through the air like a bird, but instead of only seeing forward, you see everything. Every angle, every cloud, every inch of the ground below you, captured at the exact same time. That has been the dream of FPV pilots for years. And now, leaks suggest DJI is about to make it real. But here's the catch, you probably shouldn't pre-order it. According to multiple trusted insiders, DJI is working on a new drone called the DJI Avata 360. This isn't a small upgrade. It's rumored to be DJI's first true 360-degree FPV drone, combining a full spherical 360 degrees camera, DJI's industry-leading stabilization, and the compact, protected Avata frame. Essentially, it's like DJI took an Osmo 360 and built it directly into an FPV drone. The design looks familiar, a Cinewoop-style body with full propeller guards, making it safe for indoor flights in tight spaces. The big leak? Weight under 250 grams. That's huge. In many countries, drones under 250 grams avoid heavy registration and licensing rules. This alone could make the Avata 360 the most accessible 360 degrees drone ever made. Now let's talk image quality. Leaks point to 5.7K, or even 8K, 360 degrees video. That means you can record everything and reframe later, choosing the perfect angle in post. Pair that with DJI's horizon leveling, advanced stabilization, smooth FPV flight controls, and even aggressive maneuvers could look cinematic and shake-free. For YouTubers, filmmakers, and VR creators, this is a dream tool. AI is expected to play a major role. Rumors suggest AI-assisted flight paths, smarter obstacle avoidance, faster 360 degrees stitching, possibly done automatically. And if DJI sticks to tradition, the Avata 360 should work with existing DJI goggles and controllers, saving users from buying an entirely new setup. So, why shouldn't you pre-order? Simple, this is first-generation hardware, new camera system, new software pipeline, new 360 degrees FPV workflow. Early buyers may face firmware bugs, overheating or battery limits, image stitching issues, shorter real-world flight time than advertised. Leaks suggest a launch in early 2026, with prices starting around $1,100, and Pro bundles near $1,900. If this drone delivers, it'll be incredible, but waiting for real-world reviews and firmware updates could save you money and frustration. The DJI Avata 360 could change aerial filmmaking forever, but smart creators wait before jumping in. Would you pre-order or wait for reviews? Drop your thoughts below, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest leaks and updates.